Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. In this very special episode, we're not going to teach you how to train a dragon, but we are going to teach you how to draw one.
Are you forgetting someone?
Oh yes, this is Inky, my fluffy assistant. Are you ready to get started, Inky?
You betcha!
Then let's go! The first thing that you're going to draw in order to draw your dragon is this curve here. Then, you're going to draw this curve shape. It stretches here and goes all the way back up here. Then you're going to draw this shape here, this shape here, the same shape here, and little circles inside like that. If you want, you can do this too. Then, for the teeth, you can do a little triangle here and here.
Or a rectangle, if you want your dragon to be a herbivore.
Then, you do this, and this line. Also, you can make this part stick out to make it look like a furry dragon. But if you want your dragon to be scaly, then don't do that. Then you do a curvy line, like that goes all the way down there. And you can draw the horns, like that.
What's the difference between a car and a dragon?
What?
A car only has one horn.
Then, you can draw an ear that looks like this. Just on this side. But if you want, you can have this part that sticks out a little. Then you can start on the body. Do a line coming from here to here. It goes up. And a line from here. That's just that tiny. Then you can start back on the eyes. Do a curvy line like that. And some more lines like that. Then you can start filling in the eyes. Do one big circle in each of them. A tiny little circle in each of them. Another big circle. And then you fill in this one.
Is this going to be a friendly dragon?
Yes, he's very friendly. Then you can do this line here that curves like that. And that line too. Then you can start drawing the spikes. Do lines like that. That go all the way down. To this point, and then you're going to draw the wings. Do one long line here that curves and then comes all the way back down. Then you're going to draw a spike at the top, and you're going to do a line that goes like that. Then you're going to draw the arm. Do a long line like that. This curvy line, and then two more of them there. Do a line like that, then draw claws.
Do you know why the dinosaurs live longer than dragons?
Why?
Because they didn't smoke.
Then you can do that line, and this line, and this line for the leg. Then you start the tail, make it go all the way up here and all the way back down. And have this one come down here. Then you're going to have the other arm come here and behind this one. Then you're going to draw the foot like that. And draw the foot. Now the other legs. Then you can draw this line here. And finish the wings. Do these lines here. Have this line curve up. And do a zigzag pattern back and forth. And back and forth. You're almost done with your dragon. The last thing that you're going to do is draw the spikes and the rest of the feet.
Have you heard the new Imagine Dragons song?
No, I haven't.
It's fire.
And add little details, like these little circles that make your dragon look scaly.
And while you do that, I shall sing. Puff the magic dragon, live by the sea.
That's okay, Inky.
Okay, fine.
Then you're finally done.
And now it's time to color.
And that's all for the dragon. Thanks so much for the suggestion, Sojin. This is a great one. If anybody else has any suggestions, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Now, Inky, what should we name this dragon?
I have the perfect name, Cheeto.
That is the perfect name. And keep on drawing.